Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to enable screen flash notification on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down and click on accessibility. After you click on accessibility, click on advanced settings. After you click on advanced settings, you will see flash notification is here. Click on flash notification. If you want to enable flash notification, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see screen flash notification is enabled. After enable screen flash notification, go back to home screen. So that's how you can enable screen flash notification on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.